Hey folks, welcome to Tri-Color Creations. Thanks for watching. If this is your first time here, welcome. I'm glad you clicked on the video, and I hope you enjoy this one. After you finish with this video, feel free to check out some of the other art videos I've posted on the channel. I wanted to share with you this radioactive creation that if you watch long enough may turn you into the Hulk. Definitely subscribe for more corny jokes. I layered the colors into 3 separate shot glasses, which I poured out into this spiral pattern. It would really mean a lot to me if you would smash that subscribe button to support a small channel like mine. It's free, I promise. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this one. If you like the green color palette, definitely check out the other video on my channel called The Hidden Peacock. I somehow magically create a peacock silhouette out of an acrylic pour. Thanks for watching again. Have a good one.